justice, fair play, and we will take that to its logical end.
The Meghalaya Public Service Commission MPSC has agreed to release the marks of all candidates from the Meghalaya Civil Service preliminary examination along with answer keys and corrections within 24 hours. This decision follows a protest by the KSU Students' Union demanding greater transparency. The MPSC chairman made this commitment during a meeting with KSU leaders. Additionally, the KSU has requested that the personal interview ratio for the Meghalaya Police Service position revert to the 2019 advertisement 1:2.5 ratio rather than the new 1:1.5 ratio.
Don lupa handai ngatrai dimax kebala don lupa ngatrai ke pertai komputerais mentang ngatrai kamdai kusgam terkedang di buku abso kenta agak yang zaman blok kubur kata banle leda kedon ta jingle tu kata de le tu hi de kemut le tu kinong le tu de kensa jingle tu handai agak yang kusang kuat tang gawe kemokren kong meni tang jing sedang nang ni sakmat ikwa ba sistem kebat kemai ini kebalong transparan dari kesorkar ke hak suatu bat hak semelu ke jingba kli pada habru ban interview ke ratio HU ajar kendai pemi ke ai 1:2.5 hak attachment ada indak la shortlist pemi ke ratio 1:2.5 ke beli kelak tak don ni sudah kita biasa kom attachment no sistem nanti penkala